Hi.
Today we want to take you with us to the complete guide for the beginner, investor or buyer for a real estate in Portugal. So if you're thinking about buying a house in Portugal, this video is for you. We want to talk about is how cannot we talk about it is all the coronavirus that just took place in all the world and as well here in Portugal, and of course it's affected the deals and what's going on here in the field.
Exactly. So basically, as you all know, in the last year of 2020-2021, basically we are all worldwide, we are suffering from this pandemic, coronavirus, COVID-19, and basically we want to talk about what is the infection about the real estate market here in Portugal. So basically, as an investors and as a company that basically we are leading investors for purchase here in Portugal, we felt kind of pause, kind of freezing regarding the prices, regarding also deals, because less investors were inside the city. For us it was very nice, obviously, but we also felt that the supply of apartments, buildings got higher, but in the same time we didn't really feel that the price is going like very low.
Yeah, I feel that also a lot of investors talk to us and ask us, okay, when is gonna be a good time to buy? When is gonna be the real estate drop? What talked about the news, it's about 2% of drop, but also not in the center area. So actually the market stayed exactly the same during all the pandemic.
What we felt, that basically we had more possibilities of negotiation.
Yeah.
Because obviously, guys, you know, it's a global crisis. People need the money. People that hold the properties and didn't want to release them, nowadays because the demand of money, they starting to release their properties to the market, and this is what we see now, that we have more supply of apartments, the possibility for negotiation is higher, but the prices are still more or less the same.
So let's talk about the prices of properties here in Portugal. We will concentrate in Porto because this is the city that we are living in, and this is the city that we're gonna show you the investigation that we did, and we're gonna start from apartments. So apartments for renovation here in Porto, we are talking about the second circle of the historical center in Porto. You can find deals between €2,000 till €2,800 per square meter of apartment for renovation. The same property that you took for renovation, you invested another 300-400 per square meter, you can already sell it between €3,000 till €3,500 per square meter. I'm reminding you that we are talking about properties that in the second circle of the historical center of Porto, properties inside the city center with all the tourism and more can be more expensive than that. Let's talk also about apartments that are in new construction, new buildings. Of course, as your location will be better in the city, you will pay more. It will be between, let's say, 3,000 till 6,000 euro per square meter. It all depends where you buy, what is your location, in what, of course, which materials they use in the construction that makes it more expensive to buy.
It's important to say that if you will look on the websites and you will look for properties, you will see that also in Porto, in Lisbon, also in other locations in Portugal, you will find a lot of projects that are under construction. So you basically will be able to buy properties, let's say, on the paper, as we call it,
yeah.
And basically then you will be able to pay maybe a lower value per square meter, but you will take in consideration that you will get the apartment maybe in 1 year, maybe in even more.
I think that the problem also with new construction here in Portugal is that it's super important that you get to know the construction company that's dealing with this business as well, because I don't know if you know it, but here in Portugal things takes time. So if you expecting to get your apartment ready in a certain time, add for it another half a year at least until it will be ready. talking about the surrounding around the historical center of Porto, you can find buildings for construction around, let's say, between 1,000 euro per square meter till 1,500 per square meter. Of course, it all depends what is the situation of the building, if it already has an approved project for construction, if it's just a building that is waiting to do something with it. It has different parameters that you should check when you purchase this property for investment. If you are looking for a building for construction inside the historical center, you can also find building for construction between 2,000 euro per square meter till 4,000 euro per square meter that it's still not renovated. So as I said, it all depends in your location that you choose to build in. It all depends in your business plan and what basically you want to do with this investment. If you take this building for construction, construction will cost you between 1,000 till 1,300 per square meter for a new construction. This is for you to know. If we are talking about buildings that are already renovated and are sold completely done, you can find those buildings between 3,000 euro per square meter till 6,000 euro per square meter. It all depends in the location that you buy in. Thank you for watching. We hope that you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel, like, share the video if you like it with your friends, and we will see you on our next video.
Thank you.
Ciao.